Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Dismhost.exe and 0x2 error for Windows Defender in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. There are 3 4 5 6 commands in my description. You just need to copy it and paste it in here guys, one by one. After finishing one by one command, you just need to copy it and paste it in. Wait for it until this finish up. After finishing it, copy the third command, paste it, copy with the Control C and paste with the Control V guys. After finishing this, it will ask for Windows features to install some feature. Click on this install this feature and install it guys. This will take some time to finish it, searching for required files. After this direct play installation finished, you just need to close out of here. Wait for it guys, this command finish up. After finishing this command, you just need to copy the fourth command guys. Copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it. Press enter. You just need to press in keyboard Y and press enter guys. This volume will be checked the next time the system restarts. You just need to restart your PC after finishing these commands, and restarting time it will be asked guys to skip this process. Press any keys to skip it. You need to don't press any keys in your keyboard and don't skip it guys. And after that, this is you need to do it. After that, copy the last final two commands. It will take some time to finish it guys. This is file checking utility scan guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification base of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% guys. The same way, you just need to copy the last command. If I do this command as well, the time will be more guys. That's why I'm not doing it. You just need to finish this verification 100% and you just need to copy the final command and paste it guys. And the final command also take some time to finish it. After finishing all these commands, you just need to restart your PC guys. And that's it for today's video guys. After restarting your PC, your problem will be solved. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.